Actually, no, I'll roll and then stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower to finish the week on Friday. Shares in tech, hardware and equipment, automobiles and components and retailing all ended in the red. While on the economic front, PPI final demand improving by 0.6% month over month in October from 0.2% the previous month. Wholesale inventories rising by 0.4%, and the University of Michigan Sentiment Index reaching a preliminary read of 98.3 in November. All while decliners beating advancers, 69% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower Friday. Now, after the markets closed, Ford Motor and Volkswagen nearing an agreement to join forces in an electric and self-driving vehicles, reported by Bloomberg, citing those familiar with the matter. Moving on overseas, Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei up 0.09%, the Hang Seng up 0.12%, China's CSI 300 up 0.19%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.27%. European markets consolidating and U.S. futures calling for a mixed start. Now, with no major earnings and no major data, we now turn to the markets. The S&P 500 under pressure and in focus. The relative strength index advocates for further advance. Short positions below 27.93 are favored, with 27.64 and 27.53 in extension. The Nasdaq capped by a negative trend line, and the Dow Jones sees a break of a short-term rising trendline support.